Guys, it's Rachel here, and I'm back with a new few kits. So this is for Easter. It's my third journal page kit for Easter. So this is the decorated one. So because I loved this one, I think Steffi did this one, or did I, or he started it and I finished it, something like that. Anyway, yes, something like that. So we both collaborated a bit on them. So that's the Epson. I printed them out on both printers. So the HP is slightly more vibrant, although on the Epson I didn't print on the highest. I printed on the next one down. And this one I printed on high, but not the highest either. But anyway, so I'm just getting sidetracked. So there's 8 pages in the journal kit. And they are for Easter, although that could be used anytime. This one has a little lamb on it, but you could still use it. If you didn't want the lamb, you could put something over the top. That's just with the two different printers. That's what I want to say. So isn't this beautiful? Anyway, when I saw these, I mean, Steffi did this, isn't he clever? I gave him like all the different things that he could combine, and then he just had a muck around and did this. So when I saw this, I thought it was so beautiful. I had another idea, so I'll show you that in a second. So I'm just showing you the pages right now. There's this one here. Oh, that one we printed out 3 times because the first time there wasn't enough contrast here and it printed too pale, so Steffi fixed it for me. Don't know what he did, but he fixed it. And then look at this. Steph did this. Isn't it gorgeous? I love all the colours. Very spring and Eastery. Yeah, that's bitty. So there's some pages are more Eastery and other pages could be any time of the year. There's this one here. Steph did that one. He did this one. And I think I did the last one. So that's that one there. And then this one as well. So that's the Easter kit number 3. And then I'm calling this next set pretty backgrounds. Pretty background pages, because the background pages of the Easter kit were so pretty that I decided to have those as well. But then nearly all of them have some sort of thing added to them, so it's not just this page. There's the addition of something else as well, some lace and some other things as well on there. So this one's got 2 additions. And so these are just sort of pretty background pages, like you could write on there. Probably not so much on there, but you could put a photograph on there or use it for collage. So there's this one here. What did I add? I added that on there and this on here. So there's that pretty page. Let's show you what they would look like. So pretty. And then you can add your own embellishing, and you could even write on that page. I just thought they were so pretty they needed to be their own kit, just the backgrounds. And this had a few little additions on it as well, just to make it a bit different from the first kit. So this is any time of the year. That's what I thought. It would be good for any time of the year. For the I mean, that page was so stunning to me. Did I add anything to that page? I don't think I did. It was just so pretty the way it was. I just left it. I think that's just the prettiest page. So that would be one side and that would be the other side. Or you could have it in the center like that. And then this one, I did a few little additions. I can't remember what. I think this and this here. Maybe, I can't remember. Memory like a sieve. Oh, this has a lace swooshing right across. I don't know if you can pick that up. And then I think I put that there, or was that already there? I can't remember. But super pretty page. And then this one as well with a few more additions. And then this one here. Is that it? Yep, that's the beginning. So there's 8 pages in that one as well. And I just think they are so pretty for journal pages or collaging. So that's that one. And then we've got a tag kit. So we've got, these are just taken from the papers, so they're not decorated. They can be decorated, like you could add a label there, some flowers there, or, you know, you can decorate them as you like. And then we have a decorated version of the same one. So digitally decorated. So because when you digitally decorate, like you can put more layers on it, and they're kind of transparent, so you can see a little bit what's in the background. So that's that one. So this is the plain page here, and then this is the decorated page. Really fun, really different to last year, I think, but they can combine together. So that one, and then this page. So that's the non-decorated, even though there's a few little embellishments on there. And then that's the decorated. How cool is that? That's the decorated page. I think that one's my favorite there. And then this is the non-decorated. And this is the, oh, I think I like this one too. Really colourful. So they're just tags ready to go. Just have to back them, put a topper on them, and they are done. And these ones need a little bit more work on them. So that gives you two options like I always do. So there you go. Those are my new kits. I'm very excited about them. And thank you to my husband for helping me, because he's very clever at layering and showing me what to do, and doing them for me as well. He does quite a lot of them. So there we have it. Those are the new kits. Super pretty, lots of colours. As I said, like this, some of the pages here could be used, or that's not particularly Easter, but it's got bunnies in it. Some of the pages can be used all year round, and some of them can't. Obviously, they're more Eastery. And then, of course, this kit is for all year round as well. So there we go. So I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you're having a great Sunday. And I'm off. Oh, I printed one on fabric. Look at this. They are, this is linen. This is an antique linen. It was an antique. I don't know if you can see the slubbiness of it. It's really nice linen. And I printed it on there, one of the plain pages. I've got a little thing there, but I don't care. I'll put something on there. Isn't that pretty? I printed a few of them. I'll just show you what they look like on fabric. It's my new thing, printing on fabric. How gorgeous is that? Really, really washed out and shabby and very pretty. And then this one here, I just chose a few of them and printed them out just to see what they look like. And yeah, that's it. Oh, that's one of my ephemera pages from my ephemera kit, printed out on the linen as well. Really nice linen. So just to show you that actually linen is probably more user-friendly than hemp, because hemp is quite thick and quite hard to sew sometimes. So yeah, so these were the hemp. Oh no, I don't know where I don't know where I put it. I had a hemp. Oh, where's it gone? Oh, here it is. This one, I've stitched it now. It is spoken for, so I've just got to finish it. So it's stitched now, but that's on the hemp. And you can stitch the hemp, it's just thicker. Similar effect, but it's just thicker. So there we go. So I'm just enjoying printing on the fabric, so I don't know what I'll do with those. Anyway, so those are the new kits, and I hope you enjoy them and have a great Sunday, and I will see you again soon. Bye.